Hi guys, James here, welcome back to the channel. So something a little bit different. This is the build of the Edison desk calendar I got from Affordable Model Kits. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in buying one for yourself. It's an absolutely first-rate product. I really recommend it. It's really exciting to build. It makes something a little bit different to a styrene kit, so it's a bit of a change of topic. But if you're in the market for something you can build in half an hour or so, that'd be really worth checking out. I've recorded this in one sitting, so it's about 25 to 30 minutes long end-to-end process. I've speeded it up 4 times so you can watch it at a bit of a clip, but this would be something absolutely perfect to do with children, especially on Christmas Day or the holiday season as we're rapidly approaching. So if someone's asking you what you'd like for Christmas, this is definitely something to put on the top of your list, I'd say. So sit back, relax, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Right guys, well there you have it, the Edison Perpetual Calendar from Affordable Model Kits. And just to reiterate, there's no glue required, it's very easy to assemble, so this would be an ideal stocking filler for model makers both young and old as we move into the holiday season. I've included a link below if you'd like to get one for yourself or a friend or family member, and until next time, happy modelling and see you soon!